Each of you who sits here today represents courage, resilience, and the promise of a brighter future for healthcare in our region, in Zamboanga Peninsula. That is why I take pride in seeing the energy, the passion, and brilliance in each of you today. The discipline you practice in preparing for this quiz bowl, the teamwork you display with your peers, and the determination you carry with you. These are the same qualities that will serve you well in the hospital and beyond.
Today is more than just a competition. It is a grand celebration of knowledge, discipline, and dedication. A true meeting of minds where future nursing professionals gather to compete, connect, to learn, and grow.
At West Metro Medical Center, we deeply recognize this. Our slogan, "Welcome to Wellness, Welcome to West Metro," is not just a line we share with our patients. It is our guiding principle. It reminds us that wellness is not simply the absence of disease, but the presence of care, dignity, and healing. And no one brings that vision to life more than the nurses.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our contenders for this year's Battle of the Nightingales.
Feel the energy when I walk in the building. Turned up to the max, confidence is on a million. Headed to the top, cause I'm able and I'm willing. Treat calm like my capital, I'm about to make a killing. Stars all align, competition make excuses, we making statements. All the work we put in, we deserve 1,000 praises. My sacrifices will be talked about for ages. Now it's time that I show the world what a king is.
Mindanao State University, buog, buog, MSU buog, one MSU. We are from Notre Dame of Messiah College.
We are from Universal College Foundation, Southeast Asia of the Pacific Incorporated.
We are from
Ateneo de Zamboanga University.
Big, it's gonna be good. Come on and let's get it started. I want you to know it's gonna be big. It's gonna go off. Come on, let's get it going. Let's start the show. Yeah.
Shaping the future of nurses who are not only independent but proficient to elite nurses and truly extraordinary. Once again, welcome to Wellness, welcome to West Metro. On your 8th West Metro Inter-School Battle of the Nightingales. Good luck, 𝐮𝐬𝐡𝐨𝐰𝐜 Universidad, mga partisipante, y el mga colegio ahora aquí. Y enhorabuena, 𝐮𝐬𝐡𝐨𝐰𝐜 queda champion luego.
It's gonna be big. It's gonna be good. Come on and let's get it started. I want
On behalf of West Metro Medical Center, I extend my warmest congratulations to all the participants of this year's Battle of the Nightingales, and may today inspire you to reach higher, serve better, and lead with heart. Welcome to this celebration of knowledge, passion, and purpose. Welcome to wellness. Welcome to West Metro. In Chabacano, bienvenidos na wellness, bienvenidos na West Metro. Muchas gracias y buen suerte con ustedes todo.
It's gonna be good. Come on and let's get it started. I want you to know it's gonna be big. It's gonna go off. Come on, let's get it going. Let's start the show.
May this event continue to inspire all of us to uplift our profession and carry forward the legacy of Florence Nightingale. Thank you everyone, and we look forward to seeing you again at the next Battle of the Nightingales.
It's gonna be big.
And the winner of the West Metro's Battle of the Nightingales Year 8, Western Mindanao State University!